Welcome to Curious Cub's Art.
Hello kids, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're learning to draw and color a rainbow star step by step. Let's start by drawing. Red color.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Orange color.
The world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder
Yellow color.
you are. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines
Green color.
then you show your little light. Twinkle, twinkle all the night. Twinkle, twinkle, little star,
Sky blue color.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how
Purple color.
above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle,
Pink color.
little star, how I wonder you are.
Don't forget to subscribe.